Let us discuss about the Pythagoras Theorem and 2D geometry. Look at this figure. It is a 2D shape whereby the length of this side is 10 centimeter, this side is 10 centimeter, and this side is 10 centimeter. Now the question is, find the area of the triangle. In fact, this shape is a triangle, but any triangular shape is also having a 2D shape. And if you remember, 2D means two-dimensional. Now, how do we find the area of this figure, which is in 2D shape? By using the application of the Pythagoras Theorem. Here, if you remember, area of any triangle is given by the formula a half times base times height. It can shortly be written as a half BH, half base times height. Looking back here, this shape here, the base could be this, and the height is supposed to be here. And the height should be perpendicular to this base. Now, in order to apply the Pythagoras, you need to reconstruct this figure, and then you construct a line here, so that the line will divide this line into two equal portions. This will be 5 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, making 10 centimeters. This side will remain 10 centimeters, and here 10 centimeters. Now we are looking for this height here, while having these two right triangles here. So we can use one of these two right triangles to find this height here. So how do we do it? These two are adjacent sides, so you'll have h square plus 5 centimeter square equals to 10 centimeter square. The sum of squares of two adjacent sides equals to the square of the hypotenuse side, the side which is opposite the 90-degree angles. So this is going to be h square plus 25 centimeter square equals to 100 centimeter square. So this is h square equals to 100 centimeter square less 25 centimeter square. So h square is going to be equals to 75 centimeter square. So if we square both sides, we'll end up getting h equals to 75 centimeters. Now, we now have the height and we have the base. So, area of the triangle now, area of the triangle will be a half base times height. In this case, base is 10 centimeters and height is 75 square centimeters. Now, area of the triangle will be a half times base, which is 10 centimeters, times 75 square root centimeters. This is going to be 575 square root centimeters. This can be simplified by taking 75. You find the factors of 75. This would be 3, 25, 5, 5. So this is going to be 3 times 5 times 5 centimeters, and this is going to be 5 times 5, 3 square root centimeters, giving you 25, 3 square root centimeter square. We have centimeter here and centimeter here, that's why we have centimeter square here. And when you simplify numbers under radical signs, if the index is 2 and you have 2 equal factors, you get 1 factor. That's why we have 5 here. So area of the triangle is 25 square root of 3 centimeter squares. The key, or the very important concept that you learned here is the application of the Pythagoras Theorem to solve problems related to figures in 2D shapes. But also you learned about construction. You see here, we had no right triangles here, but we had to construct a line so that we could get right triangles, whereby we could apply one of the triangles to find the unknown distance here, this height, so that we could apply this formula here to find the area of the triangle. So you should learn how to construct lines whenever they are needed. I hope this short video will help you in the application of the Pythagoras theorem in problems that are in 2D shapes.